All right, good morning, children. Let's begin our today's class. Am I audible clearly to everybody? Okay. We are going to continue the chapter punctuation. Till now, we had revised the work where capital letters are used, where full stop are used, where quotation mark, exclamation mark, and other different types of punctuation marks are used in a sentence. Today, we are going to do the exercise related to it. So, open page number 133, 133. Keep pencils in your hands. Okay? Exercise says punctuate these sentences correctly using capital letters, full stop, comma, apostrophe, inverted commas, question marks, and exclamation marks. Means the sentences which are given to you, there is no punctuation mark placed there. We have to rewrite the sentences putting all the punctuation marks wherever and wherever, whichever is necessary. All right. So keep pencils in your hand and read the first sentence. I thought I saw a cat and Tweety bird. I thought I saw a cat, said Tweety bird. First apostrophe that is needed to be, yes, placed is I should be capital. First of all, you need to understand. Don't write anything. First, try to understand. It is a sentence which is said by Tweety Bird. Yes. So first thing we need to separate the sentences. Yes. Mute your mics. We need to separate the sentences. It is a saying, it is said by the Tweety bird. So I thought I saw a cat, said Tweety bird. First, we have to start this sentence with opening inverted comma. Can you see it? Put inverted comma on, quotation mark on, then I will be capital. I, we all know pronoun always is written with capital. Blackboard is visible to everybody? Okay. I then write the sentence, thought I saw a cat. Camera is not on. I thought I saw a cat. Again, I will be in capital. Then this is the main part of the sentence. So close the main part using quotation mark, inverted comma, close. Then who said? Tweety bird said. So we have to separate the sentence using comma. Then you will write said Tweety bird. Now Tweety is a name of a particular bird, so proper noun. So we are going to write T in capital. And then we are going to end the sentence with a full stop. Clear? Read the sentence again. This is how we have to do. I thought I saw a cat, said Tweety bird. Clear? Clear to everybody? Alright. Sentence number 2. Superman's favorite line is up, up and away. First letter capital. So write S capital in Superman and apostrophe S will be there because it is denoting the possession. Superman's favorite line. Favorite line is. Now after is we have to put comma because we are dividing the sentence here. Is up and away. Now it is a particular line of a poem. So up, you will be capital. Don't show it to me. You do your work. Up and away. Up, up and away. See, Superman's favorite line is up and away. Up, you will be capital, and away, A will be capital. Are you getting it? After it, full stop. Third sentence. Keep writing it side by side, okay? How dare you speak to her like that? How, H will be capital. Start the sentence with a capital letter. How dare you speak to her like that? And in the end, put an exclamation mark. How dare you speak to her like that? How dare you speak to her like that? Okay? Next sentence. Cricket may be the national sport of England, but it is very popular in many other countries as well. Again, we have to start the sentence with a capital letter. So, cricket, C will be capital. Cricket may be the national sport of England, E will be capital. After England, put comma. But it is very popular in many other countries as well. Full stop. Do the required corrections in the sentences only. Do the required corrections in the sentences only. Write full sentences later. Wherever you have to write in capital, cut small letter, and above that write capital E. Wherever you have to put comma in the sentence only, put the comma, put the full stop, put the inverted commas like that only. Okay. Now next sentence. On Christmas Day, when Jane woke up in the morning, she saw a stocking hanging by the side of her bed. First of all, we have to start the sentence with the capital letter. So O will be capital. Cut small o and above that write capital O. Then Christmas, cut small c and write capital C on top of it. When Jane, cut small j and write capital J, woke up in the morning, she saw a stocking hanging by the side of her bed, put full stop. Alright, do the corrections in the sentences only. Later on, you can write the full sentences in your copies. Then, next sentence. When you go to the mall, please buy what? Alright. On O will be capital. I'm repeating. I'm repeating. On O will be capital. Christmas C will be capital. Jane J will be capital. And at the end, you have to put the full stop. Done? Next sentence. When you go to the mall, please buy fruits, vegetables, eggs, and butter. Now, by reading the sentence only, you have come to know that too many things are there. And when more than two things are there, what we do? We separate it using the commas. So first of all, we have to start the sentence with capital. So W will be capital. Go to the mall, please buy fruits. After fruits, put comma. After vegetables, put comma. And at the end of the sentence, put full stop. W capital, after fruits, comma, after vegetables, comma, and at the end of the sentence, put the full stop. Turn page. The soldiers have been living in camps for many months now. Small t will be changed into capital T. The soldiers have been living in the camps for many months now, and at the end, put full stop. That's it. Capital T and full stop. All of you are writing? Yes. Next, Mr. Bansal and Mr. Bansal, the principal, welcomed us on the first day of school. First thing, we have to start the sentence with the capital letter. So, cut small m and write capital M on it. Bansal, name of a person. So, B will be capital. The principal welcomed us on the first day of our school. Full stop. This much done? Okay. Next. The Mercedes Benz is a very expensive car, isn't it? Again, we have to start the sentence with a capital letter. So the T will be capital. Which line you want me to repeat? Okay, the Air India flight from London lands in Delhi at 11:55 a.m. Start the sentence with the capital letter. T will be capital. Air India, name of the flight, A will be capital. Again, India, I will be capital. Flight from London, L will be capital. Name of a place. Lands in Delhi, D will be capital. At 11:55 A dot M dot. Abbreviation. AM is abbreviation. So 11, after 11:55 A dot M dot. Okay. Next, do you know the name of the smallest country in the world? Cut small d and write capital D there. You know the name of the smallest country in the world. Now we have to put question mark or full stop here. Very good. We have to put the question mark. So D will be capital and at the end of the sentence put the question mark. Right? Next. The Mercedes Benz is a very expensive car, isn't it? The T will be capital. Mercedes Benz, name of a car, proper noun. M will be capital. B will be capital. Is a very expensive car. Now here we are separating the sentence with a question. So we have to put comma after car. Isn't it? Full stop. Next sentence. Sangeeta is an MA in English from Cambridge University. We all know when we begin a sentence, we have to start the word with a capital letter. So Sangeeta, S will be capital, is an MA. M will be capital, dot. A will be capital, dot. Why? Because MA is an abbreviation. M capital, dot. A capital, dot. In English, E will also be capital. because it is a name of a particular subject. E will be capital. From Cambridge University. Cambridge, C will be capital. University, U will be capital. Full stop. Ritisha, your camera is off. Kapil Arjun, why? Your camera is off. Rishita, I am talking about. Ritisha, I am talking about Rishita. Why you get confused? Next, which is taller? Sears Tower or the Empire State Building? Now start the sentence with a capital letter. W will be capital. Then Sears Tower, name of a tower. So S and T will be capital. Or the Empire State Building. Empire State Building, again name of a building has to be in capital letters. So E, S and B, capital letters. E, S and B will be capital. After that, full stop. Done? Next, wonderful. That's a very good news. Start the sentence with the capital letter. W will be capital. After wonderful, put exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Then that T will be capital. That T will be capital. A very good news, full stop. Next, the last sentence. The macaw is a large, brightly colored bird found mostly in rainforest. Start the sentence with the capital letters. So T will be capital. The macaw, name of a bird. M will be capital. Proper noun. Is a large, brightly colored bird found mostly in the rainforest. Full stop. All sentences are clear. Which is taller, Sears Building, Empire State Building? Question mark at the end of the sentence. Question mark. 11. The Mercedes Benz. The T will be capital, Mercedes M will be capital, Benz B will be capital. Is a very expensive car, comma, isn't it? Full stop. Yes, in the 15th, the last, after the sentence completes, full stop. Out of these 15 sentences, you have to do 10 sentences in your copies, fair copies. Alright? First 10 sentences you have to do in your fair copies. Clear?